Hello children, myself Sandhya Kakkar and today we are going to start chapter number 9. The chapter number 9 is It's Raining. So we are going to start chapter number 9. In this chapter we can see the elephant whose name is Appu. So Appu ate bananas. Appu liked banana very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the tree every day. One day he saw that the banana tree were drooping. It had no rain for a long time. See, we can see that the elephant whose name is Appu, every day he went to the banana tree and plucked banana from the banana tree and eat the banana. One day what he has seen, that the tree was drooping. Tree was drooping means there is no banana and tree will get no water for a long time. So if plant did not get water for a long time, so plants were going to be drooping. So Appu has decided to go and take water for the he go and take water for the banana tree. It must get water, my trunk, said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. He went to the river and first he drank water, then he take water in his trunk and take the bath. What Appu has decided, he plucked banana every day from banana tree, but the tree was drooping, so he went to the river and take water. First he drank the water and he drink water in his trunk, then take bath till he drink water till he is getting happy. Then he has taken water in his trunk and went to the banana tree and poured the water on the banana tree. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana tree. He came with the water and poured the water in banana tree. As soon as the banana tree got water, they came alive. When tree got water, they came alive. Tree did not get water for a long time, so they get drooping. So he gave water to the banana tree. Appu said, "From now I will get water from you every day. After all, you also give me a ripe and tasty banana." See, we can see Appu has gave water to the banana tree and banana tree will become alive again. So if tree did not get water for a long time, it will start drooping. So Appu gave water to the banana tree. So we can see that Appu gave water to the banana tree. But what about other plants? How they are getting water? So all the plants are getting water from the rain. But have you ever think how the rain will happen? So in this poem we can see how the rain was happen. Clouds. White and blacks, the clouds are arrive in a magic pack. We can see the white and black clouds, but we cannot see how they are coming. Okay. Some dogs, deer, elephant, horse, sometimes they look like deers. We can see the clouds in a different shape. Sometimes they look like a dog, deers, elephant, horse, and sometimes look like a deers. By running here and there, the clouds arrive. The clouds arrive here and there. We see the clouds are everywhere. They are sometimes which side we cannot notice. They are running here and there. In the moment they come, in memory. In the moment they come, in the moment they go. We cannot find when they came, when they go. We can't find. Sometimes not seen for a month. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay. Sometimes we cannot see the clouds for a long time. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay there. When they are freeze, they stay only there. The clouds arise, sometimes they roar, sometimes they pour. When clouds are arise, sometimes they roar, sometimes they pour. Sometimes they roar, sometimes they pour. Sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors. When there is a thunder, they are spreading the color in the form of rainbow. They are spreading the color in the form of rainbow. And sometimes they hail. When trees shed the leaves, the clouds arrive in a magic pack, white and black. So clouds are arrive in a magic pack. Sometimes they came in a magic pack. We cannot see the clouds. They came, they arrive and they stay there for some time. Here you can see the video of clouds how they are formed. Just see.